guys, it's Emmanuel. In today's video we're gonna install a EL wire for the dashboard, okay? So let's start with installation. Let's do it. Also, wait till the end because today we're gonna announce the winner for the car mount. Let's do it. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. It comes with the cables, with the LED lights right here. This is the box that you can change with the app the colors, and some trim tool here, and the cigarette lighter connection, and the strip, this one, to put it on the dashboard. Okay, comes with this. Let's see, what is this? The instructions. Okay, so this is everything what it comes inside of the box. This is the box. So let's start with installation. Okay guys, this is the Corolla that we're gonna install the EL wire for the dashboard. So this one is nice, as you can see. The wheels has nice wheels, banner is lowered already, carbon fiber covers, side skirts, this one lip for the roof, and the tail lights. These are the nice LED tail lights. So let's start with the installation for this one. Let's do it. You can see this one is very nice. But let me show you the plan. Okay, the plan is to install it in these areas right here and right here in there. So we're gonna see where it's gonna fit better, and let's start from there. We're gonna put it on time lapse. So but the plan is to put the light, I think here is a nice place, here, probably here too, and another one on the center console. So let's start with installation, and at the end we're gonna see the final result. So let's continue with installation. Okay, this one is a little bit different than the other one that I did before. So this one is 2 pieces. This one is the one you're gonna put inside of the dashboard, on the right there, and after that you have to cut the line, the strip. You see, that goes inside of this. Let me see. You can see it like that. This one goes inside. So, but this one you have to do it after you have the line already for the space that you needed. So after you cut it, you can put the line of the size that you need, especially for each piece. So we're gonna have one piece here, one here, I'm gonna have another one here, and probably another 2 on this side, and the last one is gonna be here on the center console. So I'm gonna have 5 strips, 1, 2, 3, then 1 on the top, I think 4, and the bottom 5. So 5 strips. We're gonna try to make this one look nice and cool. Let's continue with the installation. Okay, we're almost ready. So there's one here, one strip over here. There's another one already there, and the other one, you can see it, it's right here, there and there. So I have two here, two on the other side, and I'm gonna put the last one here on the center console. We remove this one from here because we're gonna hide the cables under this trim piece, under this one. Okay, so before we put everything back, we're gonna test it and let's see if this one works before we put the trim and the plastics back. Let's do a test. Okay, so the LED strip is already installed. The wires are under this trim, and the connection is here, the cigarette lighter connection. The wire goes in here, and then everything is under here. And let me show you before I put the covers back. So I have two here. I have one under here, and the other two are here. So I'm just gonna put these covers back over there, and that's it, it's done. So now let's see how they look at night. Okay guys, those are the ambient light for the dashboard, the EL wire. They look amazing. Remember to download the app to change the colors for the lights, okay? The link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Let me know what you guys think on the comments. Questions, put in the comments too. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Okay, we're gonna pick the winner. We're gonna copy the link for the video. Paste the link, continue, and then pick a winner. The winner is Johnny DiTommaso. Congratulations to the winner, to Johnny DiTommaso. Okay, contact me on Instagram and Supra or Instagram Shine Graphics to claim your car mount. Okay, thank you for watching.